Kubilco RK116 is the yellow from to Adpil Corporation from to number 20 Adpil Corporation. Roof thinner crane track is the colors yellow. Alright, great. From there is the good time there. Alright, good time there is the okay, more okay. Alright, from there is the yellow RK116. Alright, from there is the okay, good time there. Right from there is the no choice. Alright, from there okay, good thing. Alright, good, great. Okay, is the Kubilco RK116. What number 20 is the Adpil Corporation, is the Saint Joseph. Okay, right from there okay, no choice. And finally right from there is the alright crane truck Adpil Corporation. Alright, right is the good time there is the right from there is the crane truck RK116. Is the what number 20. Right from there okay, is the no choice. Right from there no thanks. All about is the good time. 5 4 3 2 1 go.